Hello gorgeous, welcome to Hot For Me. Here I share my garden with you, different herbs and how I use them, food I make, easy and simple recipes, and how I'm training my puppy Cupcake. If you find something that is hot for you, use it, share it and enjoy it. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Hello, my name is Ernestine and welcome to my channel Hot For Me, where I share what I do with you. And if it's hot for you, enjoy it, use it. Today I made canned beans, sugar beans, and it's lovely, it's beautiful, it's delicious, and you can use it with so many ways. It's truly lovely. I just use old bottles and can them, and you can keep it for 6 months and more if you do it well. So they are really lovely. You can use it with potato salad. You can eat it with boiled eggs, baked eggs, sausages, vegetarian or otherwise. You can eat it on a slice of toast, on a croissant. You can add it to soups and stews. The way to use these beans are absolutely endless, and I would love to know how you use your sugar beans. So what you will need, what I did is I have sugar beans, those soft brown ones with the red speckles, and I used 5 cups. Pour water over it and let it stay overnight to swell up. You will also need sugar. I used brown sugar to taste. You're going to need some salt, vanilla essence, and I used ginger and a little bit of cinnamon, salt and pepper. You will also need vinegar, white or brown. I used white. Let me know what you used. If you can't find sugar beans, you can use those white beans, you can use black beans, you can use any kind of bean, and it's lovely. You can also mash it as a smear for breads and fillings. So I'll see you in the kitchen and let you know, and then we do this together. Get your bottles. 5 cups of beans made 5 jars, big jars, 750 jars of beans, and I added some carrot, and those made up gave me 5 big jars. I'll show you how I did it. And garlic is optional. And yes, let's move over to the kitchen and get going. Thank you. Welcome to Hot For Me. We are making sugar bean salad today that you can bottle and keep. These are soaked sugar beans. They're soaked for 1 day, and this is what the beans look like when they are dried. But you can use any beans, butter beans, brown beans, black-eyed beans. There are so many beans that you can use, and you can add chili to this. I'm going to do it with carrots, but these beans must be boiled now until soft yet firm, not to lose their form, and very enjoyable, absolutely amazing and wonderful. You will you can experiment with this in so many ways. Like I said, chili, ginger, carrots. I've even made it once with grapes, white grapes, and oh, it's beautiful, tender, and tastes like caramel. So I'm going to boil this and I'll show you when they are done. I'm going to add lots of raw carrots to this, whole without peeling it, and I'm going to show it to you. But I'm just pouring this in here. Oh, there's still one who... If there's a little black bean, I just remove them. I don't sit for hours working through beans. It's just not who I am. It's just not how I am. I will do it like this, and that's it. Now I add carrots right to the top to fill it. So I'll have 50 carrots, beans, more or less, and I don't peel them. I really don't peel them. It's as if the carrot keeps its juice better. You may peel and chop. I chop them once they're done. And this goes on extremely low heat, like 1. And slow. It could take a whole day for it to really soften, but it's worth it. I have boiled the carrots with the beans, and I'll show you the beans just now. And I've sliced them with skin and all, like this, and arranged them in the spot. Now I'm adding some cinnamon. I like cinnamon. It gives it a warmth and a little bit of whatever. The next little bit of magic will be a tablespoon or a soup spoon, call it what you want, of ginger. Ginger is another one of my favorites. And a touch of vanilla. I want my beans, not a full one, just that touch of magic to my beans. And now the next ingredient will be lavender oil. And I make my own lavender oil. You can look at some of my other videos for the recipe. And there we go. I am going to fry this now. Let me just switch on that thing. There we go. The flavor of browned carrots is a flavor that's unique, and I really like it. You've got to try it for yourself. I don't know how much sugar I'm adding. I'm just adding it. Because I will be bottling it. So there we go. And just for fun, let me show you my lovely sugar spoon. Ain't she beautiful? And serve me in the kitchen. Stir this gently because the carrots are cooked already. I just want to brown it. And then comes the beans and the vinegar. So in the meantime, I will be preparing my bottles that I'm going to bottle it in by pouring boiling hot water over it to sterilize it. Now you can add whatever else you want to these beans. Garlic, super. Chili, fabulous. To be absorbed into this little frying thing before the beans comes in. So I'll see you when I add the beans. Thank you for being part of it. Well, this kitchen smells like magic. It smells like Christmas, and it's only June. I'm adding the beans. This is what it looks like, and it's a soft but firm. And it is called sugar beans. And I gently lift, just lift and lift and lift. You can also taste your sugar if you want more sugar, because now we will be adding vinegar and salt. For me, it's sweet enough. The sugar that I added is plenty. 2 wine glasses of vinegar to this. But you will taste it for yourself. You don't need to add any thickener to this. The beans makes a thickener. And we've got the lovely sun coming through the window. It's winter with us. And yep, this is good. I just want to add a little bit more salt. Everything you do it for you, and do it to your own taste buds, because if your friends don't like it, you have to eat it. Yep. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt, like that. That's plenty. A little bit of black pepper. Not too much, just enough. I can always add more. If you want to add garlic, you can add garlic. If you want to add lemon rind, you can add lemon to it. This recipe allows for a lot of variation, and you will really enjoy this. This will be boiling for about an hour, and then I bottle it, and it's done. It's done. I just want all the magic now to blend and simmer through, and there we go. This is now ready to be bottled, packed in jars, and don't worry if it doesn't taste perfect. You can always add any of your spices later, like a salad. You can add some mayo and garlic and more salt, more sugar. You can really use this. It's so beautiful, and you can add it to your soups. If you've got a soup that's not thick enough or not tasty enough, you can add some of it to your soups and stews. I really and truly hope you test this recipe and let me know in the comment box. Share your experiences and your own kind of things that you did with all our readers and watchers and viewers. Enjoy a fantastic day. It's always good to have you as part of my life and part of my day. There we go. Steaming hot, beautiful and delicious. There we go. My sugar beans have been bottled upside down, because you can hear as when sorry, you add the bean mix warm and hot to your bottles, and then you screw on the lid and you turn them upside down. As soon as you turn it upside down, you will hear the suction sound that tells you it's sealing. Once your bottles are cold, you can turn them back on their bottoms and write what's inside, give it a date, and you can enjoy these and keep them for at least 6 months. But I'm sure it's so delicious they won't last 6 months. Also, it makes wonderful gifts, unique gifts when you go and visit friends, to bring them something unique from your kitchen. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, be blessed, have a lovely, lovely day. Thank you for being part of my life, part of my day, part of my channel. I appreciate you, I value you. Please remember to subscribe and leave your comments in the comment box below. Leave your recipes, and let's cook and do things together in and around our homes. Be blessed. You may slip and you may slide. Let your smile be your inner guide.